Imagine achieving every important goal that you've ever set in your life, easier, faster, and more enjoyably than you ever thought possible. What if you possessed an unshakable belief in yourself and your abilities to create the results that you desire in your life? What would you accomplish? Imagine if you could create an incredible life filled with financial wealth. This is all possible for you. How do I know this is true? It's simple. The thousands of people who have attended my Breakthrough to Success program and broke through their own financial, personal, and emotional barriers are the proof of what I'm saying. My Breakthrough to Success program is 3 high-energy, jam-packed, fun-filled days of insights and discoveries that will impact and transform your life on every level. During these 3 days, you'll be given exercises and processes to solidify these changes and really make them last. Breakthrough to Success is about radical transformation, helping you to transform your emotional, physical, financial, and spiritual life. And it's about seizing control of the most important asset that you have in your life. It's the power of your mind. If you crave deep in your heart to meet your soulmate, ignite your passion in your relationship, or if you have a burning vision of leading a wealthy and luxurious life, then Breakthrough to Success is for you. You have a very rare opportunity to receive 2 free tickets valued at $1,790, much more than that. You're probably wondering why these tickets are free. The reason's simple. It's because somebody cared enough about your growth and your development and cared enough about you to offer these free tickets. And it's because you've been referred that you're now entitled to receive 2 free tickets valued at $1,790. Otherwise, you really would have to pay the full ticket price. There are no exceptions. This is Chris Howard, and I am so excited about the transformation that awaits you at the Breakthrough to Success weekend.